she won an Oscar for her editing in Jaws. Well-deserved Oscar. Now this was also featured as Cabot Cove in a little series called Murder, She Wrote, starring Angela Lansbury. Cabot Cove was a quaint little town where there was a murder every week. Oh, that's nice. Now we're entering our neighborhood sets right here. And if you look up on the hill on our right-hand side, you will see our chicken ranch, which is a practical set. You can film inside and outside of that set. That was used in Dolly Parton's The Best Little Whorehouse in Texas. That was the very first thing it was used for. It was also used in Rob Zombie's House of a Thousand Corpses. Now right behind it is a facade. That is just the front of a building. So you can see how we use practical sets and facades in close proximity. Now on the left-hand side is Colonial Street. It is our most popular neighborhood street that we have. That's where Davy and her mom live, and Mindy Kaling's Never Have I Ever. It was used in 8 seasons of Desperate Housewives. Today they were using it for the series Ted. Just a few weeks ago they had The Voice in there. It is where the Munsters lived. The Hardy Boys filmed there. Matlock filmed there, which would thrill my father. We can do it. We can make it up the hill. I believe in us. Now here are some other examples of things that have filmed on Colonial Street. Probably don't know this, but Michael makes this tram go with sheer willpower and the movement of his head. It's amazing, amazing, the skills here. Now we're about 15 minutes away from the end of our studio tour. We'll be returning to the theme park shortly. So once again, if you have an emergency, just pull that red cord and remain seated. And if you look off to our right-hand side, you will see our second collection of picture cars. In fact, there's the little yellow Deuce Coupe from American Graffiti. We have Dom's Black Charger from The Fast and the Furious. There is the Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo. And in the back, you see the little bumblebee right there. That's everybody's favorite Transformer, right? Look at him hiding in the back. Isn't he sweet? He's a little shy. He's shy because, well, he had a misunderstanding with his neighbor. Not everybody in a neighborhood gets along. It's true. His neighbor is a little intense. His name is Norman Bates, really nice guy. He works at this quaint little motel. It's called the Bates Motel. It's named after Norman. He works very hard there. This is such a sweet little, very retro vibe motel. Don't look at the Yelp reviews. Just because 1 or 2 people disappear does not mean it's a bad place to stay. In fact, I gotta tell you, these are the cleanest showers I have ever seen. I recommend staying in room number 1. Take a nice long hot shower. I guarantee you will be relaxed. You'll be relaxed. Now, Norman lives up on the hill in the Psycho House. I know it's an unflattering name. He lives with his mother. This is one of the reasons why I like him so much. He takes care of his mom, and I think that is so important to put family first. I really do. Now, Norman is here today, so I'm excited. We're going to get a chance to say hello to him. I want everybody to be really nice. He's working on his social skills, so we're going to say hi. Hey, Norman. How are you? You look very nice today. I like your jacket. That's nice. It's good to see you. Good job. Okay, no. That we do not stab guests. That is not nice, Norman. I'm gonna talk to your mother. Okay. Watch out, car 4. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. He's feeling a little stabby today, so we're gonna let him get back to have some rest. Now we've escaped that awkward tragedy and into the heart of another tragic scene. Here we have Steven Spielberg's War of the World's Crash Sites.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen now, man. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, I'm closed.
Bobby, get in. Get in.
That is a real airplane, a real Boeing 747. Although Boeing did take their name off of that plane because they didn't want to be associated with a plane crash. I don't blame them. You can tell it's an older plane because they actually have ashtrays in the armrests, which they don't have in planes anymore. Now this is what I mean when I say practical set. Everything here is real. You can touch it, you can see it. Steven Spielberg did this set for the younger people in the scene so that they would have something real to play off of. Now, speaking of practical sets, we have a new practical set to show you, one we're super excited about. This is from Jordan Peele's new movie, Nope, which just came out last week. It stars Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, Stephen Yeun. Now, this is one of the real sets from the movie. They reconstructed it right here for us. This is Jupiter's Claim, and it is gorgeous.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park. Over there, look into the Winking Well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Sheriff. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience, built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Well, it's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of a UFO hotspot. Welcome to the world.
Aliens were cute and small and all they wanted was Reese's Pieces. Well, those days have gone. Now, we've been through so much together. We've had shark attacks, natural disasters, homicidal motel owners, alien abductions, but we have one more thing to go through. One more thing. Evidently, someone on board this tram is an undercover witness. What are the odds? I'm not going to give away their identity, but I'll give you a little hint. They're right here in my front row. I'm sorry, that was a big hint. I'm sorry, my bad. All right, well, we're gonna hang out in Sullivan's Garage right here. This is where Dominic Toretto's crew hangs out. They've agreed to keep us safe.